Rich people use LLCs to reduce taxes by thousands of dollars. And here's the secret, you can too. In this video, we'll break down LLC tax benefits and how they make life way easier during tax season. Now, most people out there think rich people form LLCs for liability protection. And yes, that is true. But what most people don't realize is that LLCs can also be used for serious tax advantages. LLCs are powerful tools because they offer 4 different forms of taxation. 2 are active, meaning you're actively involved in generating income. And 2 are passive, meaning the LLC mainly holds assets. Let's go along and start with active businesses. The first active type of taxation is the C corporation election. And a C Corp election subjects income to 2 levels of taxation. First, the company itself pays tax at a 21% tax rate. And second, the shareholders pay tax again on their dividends if any dividends are made out of the company. And this rate can be up to 37%, depending on what the shareholder's individual rate is. Now, C Corps can make sense if the company is public, they're foreign owners, or you want to keep money inside the company to reinvest. But here's what prominent tax promoters often don't tell you. Double taxation can destroy your cash flow if you're not careful. Now, the second type is the S corporation election, and this is where many smart business owners land. An S-Corp election creates only one level of taxation, at the shareholder level. The business itself does not pay any income tax like it does with the C-Corp. Instead, all the profits flow onto your personal return. Here's the big win with this: payroll tax savings. Payroll taxes are 15.3%, and they only apply to the salary that you set for yourself. So as an example, if your LLC makes $200,000 and you don't elect S-Corp status, you could pay over $30,000 in payroll taxes. But if you elect S-Corp status and set a reasonable salary for yourself of $100,000, those payroll taxes drop to about 15 grand. And the remaining 100,000 on top of that is a distribution, not subject to that 15.3% rate. That's why many wealthy business owners use S-Corp elections to their advantage. Now, those first 2 were active businesses. The next 2 are passive, where the LLC mainly holds assets and requires minimal involvement. The first form here is the partnership. When an LLC has 2 or more owners, it's taxed as a partnership by default. This is called pass-through taxation. Income and losses from the LLC pass directly onto the owner's individual returns. And the key benefit here, there's no payroll tax. Now, this structure is commonly used when LLCs hold assets like real estate, stocks, or crypto. Now, the second passive type is the disregarded entity for single-member LLCs. Now, a single-member LLC is also pass-through, but only with one owner. And here, the IRS disregards the entity for tax purposes, but not for liability purposes. And this is because the single-member LLC still offers liability protection, just like multi-member LLCs do. And this form of taxation comes with the same tax benefits as a partnership. There's no entity-level tax, no payroll tax, and you have clean reporting requirements, all with only one LLC owner at the top. LLCs offer tax benefits because of their flexibility. And at the end of the day, rich people don't have secret tax laws. They just use the rules correctly, just like you can. But LLCs are a double-edged sword. Used properly, they can save you thousands, even hundreds of thousands during tax season. Used incorrectly, and you could be overpaying Uncle Sam every year. Knowing the rules and having a good CPA is everything. And for more tips like this, go ahead and subscribe and follow. And if this helped you, please hype the videos so others can stop overpaying on taxes.